How to transfer crypto from Kucoin to Binance. Hi everyone, in this video we will show you exactly how to transfer crypto from Kucoin to Binance. On the web, log into your Kucoin account, then find the withdrawal page. You may type the token name in the search box or scroll down and click on the token that you want to withdraw. On the app, log into your Kucoin account, then click Assets Withdraw to enter the withdrawal page. Once you have selected the correct token, you will need to add the wallet address, select the chain, and then enter the amount. The remark is optional, then click Confirm to carry out the withdrawal. For tokens such as USDT that support different public chains, the system will identify the public chain automatically according to the address input. If the balance is insufficient when conducting a withdrawal, your assets are likely stored in the trading account. Please transfer the assets to the funding account first. If the address shows that contains invalid or sensitive information or is incorrect, please double check the withdrawal address. You can check the mini withdrawal amount as well as the withdrawal fee on the withdrawal page. Input your trading passwords, email verification code, Google 2FA code, or SMS verification code to complete all the withdrawal steps. It will process your withdrawal within 30 minutes. To enhance the security of your assets, if your withdrawal amount is larger than a certain amount, we have to manually process your request. It depends on the blockchain when the assets will finally be transferred to your receiving wallet. It provides a service of adding usual addresses for users. Log into www.kucoin.com and find the withdrawal page. Select the token that you want to transfer, and you can directly enter the email or mobile phone or UID of another Kucoin account and then make the internal transfer with no fee. Log into your Kucoin account, click the assets icon, and find the history button. There you will see your deposit and withdrawal records. If you're interested in the Kucoin app, click the first link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.